In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva whiteboards for team brainstorming and creative collaboration. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva whiteboards for team brainstorming and creative collaboration. Let's get started by opening Canva. From the homepage, click Create a Design. In the search bar that appears, type Whiteboard and select it. You can open a blank whiteboard if you want full control over the layout, or choose a template to jumpstart your session with pre-built sections like mind maps, SWOTs, and flowcharts. Either way, you'll land on an infinite canvas that's perfect for capturing and organizing ideas. Once your whiteboard is open, take a moment to get comfortable with the space. You can zoom in and out to focus on details or step back and see the big picture. Panning across the board makes it easy to arrange ideas without running out of room, so don't be afraid to spread things out as your brainstorm grows. To add ideas quickly, use sticky notes. On the left sidebar, click Elements, then scroll until you see Sticky Notes. Drag a note onto the canvas and type your idea. You can change colors to categorize thoughts, like blue for problems, yellow for solutions, and green for priorities. Duplicate notes to save time when listing multiple points, and cluster related notes together to form themes your team can review later. Next, add structure with text. Click text on the left to add headings, labels, or detailed notes. Use a large, bold heading for the topic at the top of your board, medium subheadings for sections, and smaller text for clarifications. Keeping your type sizes consistent will make your ideas easier to scan. To further clarify relationships, go back to Elements and add shapes, lines, icons, or diagrams. Rectangles and circles are great for grouping concepts, while arrows and connectors show how one idea leads to another. Icons can make your board more visual, and simple flow diagrams help turn brainstorms into actionable plans. Align and group items as you go, so things stay tidy and readable. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share in the top right corner and invite your team to join in real time. Choose whether people can edit or just view, and share the link. As teammates join, you'll see their cursors moving around the board. They can add, move, and comment on ideas alongside you. Comments are perfect for feedback without changing content, and you can reply or resolve them to keep momentum going. And that's how you use Canva whiteboards for team brainstorming and creative collaboration. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.